Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing good. This is English Club video brought to you by Pingu's English School and your school system. In my today's video, I am going to tell you about how to make your own word search puzzle. This is very fruitful for the learners as it helps us to enhance vocabulary. I would like to suggest everyone to try this. First of all, you have to open the website thewordsearch.com. After opening it, you have to select one subject of puzzle. For example, family, friends, book, etc. Here I am choosing family. Then you have to give title to your word search puzzle. I am giving title family. After that, you have to add a little description about the topic or the title. Here I am writing when we have each other, we have everything. My family is my life. This type of description you can add. After that, there is a word list. You have to select vocabulary now related to the title. I am choosing the vocabulary family, siblings, parents, love, affection, care, grandfather. You can see that how I am adding my vocabulary in vocabulary list. Minimum you have to select 10 words. Here I have selected 7 words, 3 more to go. So grandmother, care I have already done, so peace, home, here you can see how I am making my list. Now you have to click on Save Puzzle. After saving puzzle, now you have to click here to play it. I have clicked. Now you can see my family puzzle is ready. Here are the hints, the words which I have to find, and here is the puzzle. Just make your own puzzle and enjoy it. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.